So today is my baby's birthday. So we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna go eat, have some fun. Where are we at? We're in Malaysia. Are y'all ready to have some fun? For my baby birthday. How old are you?
I think
3. Say I'm 3 years old. So he's 3 years old today. We're gonna go eat, have some fun. Do y'all know where we're going yet?
Yeah.
No.
No.
So we'll see what happens, and we will keep you updated. You ready to go? You gotta share with your brothers. Can I see? Happy birthday, baby. You gotta share with your brothers, though.
That's hot. What is it?
I don't know what it is.
So cute. That's hot. That's hot.
Close it every time we come on.
Yeah. Is it hot?
Watch his car.